Dear students, good morning. I welcome all of you in this period. Today we are going to discuss appreciation of the poem, comparisons. Okay, let us start then. Let me tell you that marking scheme of appreciation of the poem is like this. In your examination, in your activity sheet, there is question third B, poem for appreciation. The first point is title and it has half mark. Second point is name of the poet. When you write the name of the poet, you will get half mark. Third point is rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme carries 1 mark. Fourth point is figure of speech. You have to mention any one figure of speech from the poem and it has 1 mark. And fifth point is theme or central idea. You have to write at least 2 to 3 lines on this point and this point carries 2 marks. In this way, total 5 marks question is here, appreciation of the poem. Now let us see the first point, title. How you have to write? You have to write in complete sentence like the title of the poem is Comparisons. Second point, poet. The given poem is written by an anonymous poet. It means the poet is unknown. That means we do not know who has written this poem. Okay. Next, third point is rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of first 6 stanzas is A B C B. The last stanza has 6 lines and it has A B C B D B rhyme scheme. Okay, this is the rhyme scheme of all the poem. Fourth point is figures of speech. The figures of speech used in this poem are simile, antithesis, and alliteration. Example first, slow as a snail. Answer, it is the example of alliteration figure of speech because the sound of the letter S is repeated for poetic effect. We see slow as a snail. In slow, S sound is there, and in snail, sound S, beginning sound is S. When same sound is repeated in the neighboring words, then it is the example of alliteration figure of speech. Then second example, cool as a cave, warm as toast. Answer, it is simile because the comparison is made by using the word as. When comparison is made by using the word as or like, it is the example of simile figure of speech. Third point example is dry as the desert, wet as the sea. Answer, it is antithesis because two opposite ideas, dry and wet, are used. Let me tell you that when two opposite ideas or words are used in the same line, then it is the example of antithesis figure of speech. In examination, what you have to do? You have to mention all the figures of speech used in the poem and what you have to give only one example on it. Okay. Then the last point is fifth, theme or central idea. The central idea is described in the line, the world is full of opposites. Two opposite qualities of living and non living things are mentioned here. The world has become more beautiful only with the diversity in the nature. This is the theme or central idea of this poem. You have to write at least 2 to 3 lines or 2 to 3 sentences on it. You will get 2 marks. Okay. So friends, in this way you have to write the appreciation of the poem. When you write the appreciation of poem according this pattern, you will get out of marks. You won't lose a single mark. Okay, do write like this. Watch this video again and again. Like this video, share and subscribe this video also. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks a lot.